kawadhi nyime ni 10 county ma Nairobi dhi mbele gi riembo jopango mapoko chulo omenda mag udi kata rent mag udi mag county no. E kar dak ma Udli, thoth jopango modak e udigo ochwalo ywak maggi ewi ojende manore gi gige lweny mane or mondo riembgi e udigo mane oketho udigi kendo kwalo mwandu mekgi. To ka Joyce Oduor lero, 10 county ma Nairobi geto choko omenda maromo milion 150 mag gowi mar rent kowuok e udigo.
Ma e kaka imuko dhoudi e kar dak ma Udli, ahinya to ne jogo mapoko chulo omenda mar ute kata rent mag udi ma 10 county ma Nairobi. Weg udi gi dhoggi omoko kendo gikia gima ginyalo timo. Gidong ka gineno e seche ma ojende ma 10 county ma Nairobi oro dhi mbele gi timo tich mar riembo gi kowuok e udigo. Familia modak e kuonde dak 35 kama udi ma 10 county ma Nairobi nitiere koro odong malit tok 10 county ma Nairobi geto udigo nikech girem chulo omenda mag ota.
Why would they break the sink?
Familia go koro lieko ni chenro mar darogi koro olokore kendo koro en kuo.
Goons walked in and took absolutely everything. The first thing they took is my children's bicycles. After that they took everything. They did not leave a spoon. And these were not taken by county vehicles or county officials. These were taken by goons hired by the county and supervised by the county officials.
They came for me. So before people started harassing me at night, that's when I decided let me move my family from there.
Vijana wamebeba silaha, vijana wengine ni wanakaa wakola, wengine wanaleta hata mapikipiki hapa ndio vitu ile dogo ya electronics wabebe.
Kata kamano, jaten migao mochungne udi e county ma Nairobi Lydia Mutheu okwedo wechego.
We were confronted by persons who had hired persons to prevent the lawful eviction that we were undertaking. So we encountered that in Karioko. In Woodley, one of the tenants had actually hired about 50 persons and closed them in the compound. So when the eviction team was progressing alongside that street, those people were unleashed on the county team. We suffered injuries. Our vehicles were damaged.
Jatelo no bende okiro oko winjruok mar rucho oko gowi mar rent mane jodak go keto kod gavana machon ma Nairobi Mike Sonko kowacho ni sani winjruok makamano onge tiende.
Let the court determine, one, about the waiver, and two, about monies that were paid in court, why they're not included in the final computation of our arrears.
That way, when the Gazette notice that was published, you do not see a period. So it's not clear it covers which month to which month, from which date to which date. Because it doesn't tell us whether it starts in January to May, June to July, it doesn't say. So it is not actionable. So as far as we are concerned, that waiver is not something that is that has the force of law.
Nyakagie sani chung mar 10 county ma Nairobi to en mane.
If you pay your rent, nobody will ask you anything. You will have what you call quiet possession. Yeah? Quiet possession of your house. Just pay the rent.
Joyce Oduor, Ramogi TV.